Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog ball launcher that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Franklin Pet Supply Ready Set Fetch Automatic Dog Ball Launcher. With the Franklin Pet Supply Ready Set Fetch Automatic Tennis Ball Launcher dog toy, you can continuously keep your pet occupied. It's an excellent toy, and it can be used with almost any brand of tennis ball. Additionally, it is accompanied by a power cable, which means you can play fetch till your dog drops with exhaustion, and on occasion, you can't make use of the power cord. There is a battery compartment which takes 8 D-size alkaline batteries and allows you to take playtime anywhere you want to. The Franklin Pet Supply Dog Ball Launcher is safe to use and even contains a feature that alerts your dog before a ball is launched so that your pet isn't taken by surprise. Capable of being set to a desired distance, this ball launcher can be used in an indoor setting, therefore, amping up the desirability of the machine. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chuckit Ultra Ball. If you are one of those people, the Chuckit Ultra Ball is the product for you. Equipped with high bounce capabilities, this innovative toy attracts your pet with squeaky sounds and high bounces. The balls are also lightweight and buoyant, meaning that they can be used near a pool or body of water. Moreover, the balls are also quite sturdy and contain a thick rubber core that's capable of handling the most enthusiastic dogs. More attractive still is the fact that despite its strength and toughness, the balls are soft on your dog's mouth and won't cause any damage. The launcher is incredibly easy to use and only requires you to load up a ball on it and throw, making it both convenient and comfortable. Add to that the ease in which it can be cleaned, and you have the ideal toy to use with your pet. At number 3, we have the Nerf Dog Tennis Ball Blaster Dog Toy. The Nerf Dog works similarly, just that instead of launching projectiles, you can launch dog balls for your pet to run after. The design is impeccable and is attractive to younger people, so if you are looking to encourage your kids to play with the dog, or if you want to vary the style of play a bit, then this is the best toy to do that with. Besides, the Nerf Dog is straightforward to use and requires no assembly. You just load up the gun and fire away. Not only that, but due to the design of the toy and the balls it works with, this is a great machine to use with all kinds of dogs regardless of size. Your dog's safety is of paramount concern. This is why the Nerf Dog is manufactured with non-toxic materials to ensure that your dog is always secure. At number 2, we have the IDOGMATE Big Dog Ball Launcher. There's no need to worry, as the IDOGMATE Big Dog Ball Launcher has that covered. The IDOGMATE features small balls in which smaller-sized dogs can go after and play fetch with. Furthermore, the balls are non-abrasive on the dog and won't hurt their teeth. They are made with durable materials that can withstand the dog's bite while also securing the dog. Also, this dog ball launcher can chuck balls over long distances and can vary the range, helping to diversify playtime with your dog. On top of that, the toy runs on AC power, and it has a rechargeable battery that can support up to 250 launches without being plugged in. The IDOGMATE Dog Ball Launcher is ideal for use both indoors and outdoors and provides for quality playtime for your pup. And finally, at number 1, we have the HyperPet K9 Kannon K2 Ball Launcher. The HyperPet K9 Kannon K2 Ball Launcher is a great option to furnish yourself with. This toy, much like the Nerf Dog, fires tennis balls all over the place, which your dog can then go after and retrieve. Complicated toys can be a bummer for both pet and owner as they take ages to put together. The HyperPet Ball Launcher has no such problems and is easy to use. Thanks to the quick trigger feature, you can easily launch balls at varying distances for your pet to go bounding after. Speaking of varying ranges, the toy has a simple way through which you can control how far the ball is launched for your dog. A lever that sends the ball over greater distances the further the level is pulled. For those worried about dog slobber, worry not. as this dog ball launcher features a hands-free method for picking up the ball. Placing the nozzle of the toy over the ball and pulling the lever retrieves the ball for you without the need to pick it up. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon